So going into today, I'm very bullish on Nasdaq as we see like a consecutive pump, and in December too, we've been very bullish. So as I was heading into the day, I'm already very bullish on Nasdaq. So I think this is my first trade of the week on Nasdaq. Let me turn on this sessions indicator. Let's see. So on Monday, I was looking to take a short off of previous week's highs, but the target wasn't met. We flashed downwards. We took liquidity here, but it didn't fit my entry criteria. Tuesday too, we took liquidity here, didn't fit into my entry criteria, and this is somewhat relatively equal those. So today, as I said, I was very bullish on Nasdaq. So this Monday low, another low here, and another low here. So these were like my liquidity points because there's quite a ton of liquidity stacked under here. So as we approach the session, I waited for New York session. So as I patiently waited for price to come and sweep yesterday's New York low. So as I waited for the sweep, you ask me, what is my entry criteria? How do I enter? So what I do is that I go onto the lower time frames, and I'm going to show you the exact thing, and I'm even going to put the amount of I'm going to show you my MT5 details to show you that I actually took this trade. So what happened was that this is the low right here. Let me take this. This is the low right here. So we are just waiting for price to dip below the low, then wait for price or order flow to change, and then what, we go to the upside. So how do we know that order flow is changing? Me specifically, I use change of characters and imbalances or fair value gaps. So what do we see here? Price dipped below our liquidity point. Price dipped below our liquidity point, but then what happened on the 1 minute time frame? What happened? There was a very small fair value gap here, very tiny. On the 1 minute, you need to be very precise with your entry. So there was a little 1 minute fair value gap here. I waited for price to tap, then I took where's my long 2? So I took it here, stop loss right below this low, then my take profit was just 50 points. So yes, like this. What was my psychology during this trade? My psychology during this trade was that we have FOMC later today. Right now is 6. Yeah. As by the time I took the trade, I wasn't confident that it will run to full take profit because FOMC tends to like mess with the market. So I just wanted to get my pips or my points and get out. So this was a cool almost 1:3. My risk reward was 2:8.1. So let me just summarize what I did today. I waited for price to come to a liquidity point, which was previous day lows, and the previous day lows were Monday's lows and Tuesday's lows. You can see all of them stacked beautifully here. What did we see? Price came to sweep it. Then what? I took my entry on the 1 minute time frame, and then what happened? I caught a cool 1:2, almost 1:3. I hope you get me. So subscribe to the channel to see more insights, more breakdowns into how I take my trades, and maybe that could help you in your trading journey. Thanks for watching this video, and I'm out.